Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday morning market webcast. So, daily chart, and we've been consolidating. You got the red line there. That's the 50-day exponential. You got the yellow line there. That's the 100-day. The 9-day, which is your little blue line there, kind of sneaking underneath. We have been consolidating on the hourly chart, and we have broken above that. So, let's just go to the hourly now. I mean, look, long story short is you got your low, you got your higher low. They're grinding, they're flattening it out, and now, you know, we're still going to have some decisions. It's very difficult for me to not see us go say hello to the purple line. That's your 200-day. 200-day. I mean, we only traded below it 95% of the time for 9 freaking years. I mean, to not go and say hello seems a little rude, right? So we'll see what happens with it. Hourly chart. So every move down's been rejected, including the higher low from yesterday. Then we compressed a little while. Yesterday was tough to trade. It was tough to trade. I was up 14. I was up like 10. And then I ended up 4 and change for the day. So, I mean, we hit the goal for the day, but it was a pain in the ass. And then into the close, we established 34 as a risk marker. The Intel news came out. It jumped down. Couldn't deal with it. 34 holds. We get long 34. We're still long 34. So, you know, you never know when the thing wants to expand out of compression. I will take some paper cuts along the way in a compression tape in order to figure out, you know, what exactly it wants to do. So now you got the weekly pivot here. We're above it. It needs to stay above it today. And the bulls would, you know, look, if on their wish list would be to get back to where it closed last Friday, up and around 77, 78. I don't think that's out of line. If you're the bears, you want this to be rejected, just like this was rejected, just like this was rejected, and this and this and all of this. You want to keep rejecting these. The problem with the bears is when you get down here, you guys need to do a hell of a lot better job than you've been doing. They continue to defend these lows. There continues to be a bid in this market, and that is telling. And I think it's because we've got unfinished business. We have things to deal with up at the 200-day. This is the first sustainable multi-day rally since the big downdraft. And how the market reacts when it gets back to some of these gigantic areas is going to be huge. It's going to be absolutely huge as far as what kind of tape is this going to be for 2019. So, as we head into today, keep an eye on the hourly mid there, 46, on any move down off the open. 55 is going to be important. To the upside, look, you just have to start picking off former lower highs. You've got one here at 66.25, and you've got 77.75. Aside from that, it's just a lot of air up here. A lot of air. And then you deal with the 100-day up at 81. And that's the big one. That's the one they couldn't take out before. All right. Everybody have a good one. I'm going to process this. We are live at 9:20 Instagram. Be there. We're getting a few more people every day. It's a glimpse into what we do in the chat room. And I can't stress to you enough that if you trade futures, if you want to learn how to trade futures, you need to come see us. You need to do yourself the favor of at least trying it out. All right. Everybody have a good one. I'll talk to you soon. Trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.